How to install Exodus Redux Kodi addon on Kodi. Exodus Redux is a popular Kodi addon that allows users to stream movies and TV shows. It is known for its extensive content library and reliable streaming links. Follow the steps below to install the Exodus Redux addon on Kodi. Before installing third-party add-ons, you must enable unknown sources on Kodi. Open Kodi and click on the settings in the top left corner. Select System. Click on Add-ons in the left sidebar. Toggle Unknown Sources to On. Click Yes when prompted. Return to the Settings menu and select File Manager. Click on Add Source. Click on and enter the following URL: https://i-see github.io and click OK. Enter a name for the media source, such as Exodus Redux, and click OK. Go back to the Kodi home screen and select Add-ons. Click on the package installer in the top left corner. Select Install from zip file. Click on Exodus Redux. Select the repository exodusredux.zip file and wait for the installation notification. From the Add-ons menu, click Install from repository. Select Exodus Redux repo. Click on Video Add-ons. Select Exodus Redux and click Install. Wait for the add-on installed notification. Open Exodus Redux from the Add-ons section. Click on Tools, Settings, Providers. Select Enable Lambda Scrapers. Click OK and update the scrapers. Return to the Kodi home screen and open Exodus Redux. Select Movies or TV shows. Browse or search for content and start streaming. Note: since Exodus Redux is a third-party add-on, using a NordVPN is recommended to ensure privacy and avoid geo-restrictions. 70% off and 6-month free offer link in description below. Now you're all set to enjoy movies and TV shows on Kodi with the Exodus Redux addon.